IELTS Speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you do to stay healthy? Band 5 answer.
I try to eat some fruit and sometimes I go for walking, but not always. I also drink water a lot. I think that is healthy.
Why is this a band 5? Limited vocabulary, fruit, walking, drink water, some grammar errors, go for walking, ideas are basic and not developed, communicates but without fluency or detail. Band 7.5 answer.
To stay healthy, I usually exercise 3 times a week, mainly jogging in the park near my house. I also try to cook at home instead of eating fast food, because I feel it gives me more energy. Another thing I do is sleep early, since rest is very important for me.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear, well-developed ideas with some range of vocabulary, exercise, jogging, fast food, energy. Grammar is mostly accurate with only minor slips. Fluency and coherence are strong, though not extremely sophisticated. Band 9 answer.
Maintaining my health is quite important to me, so I combine physical activity with balanced nutrition. I run regularly to keep my stamina high, and I practice yoga to reduce stress. In addition, I make a conscious effort to eat fresh vegetables and avoid processed food. I've found that these habits not only improve my physical well-being, but also my mood and concentration.
Why is this a band 9? Sophisticated vocabulary, maintaining stamina, conscious effort, processed food, well-being, wide range of structures, precise grammar, and strong cohesion. Ideas are developed with depth and personal reflection. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.